Hey, welcome back, brothers, to another trading analysis series of Bitcoin and gold. Yesterday, we did have this freaking move at what timings? You can see right here. This was the time where I was eating my food. Yes, that delicious food I was eating. These freaking trade did happened, and I missed this freaking move. What the freak, man? Yeah, as being a trader, you do have to miss great setups like this. See, you don't even see a freaking green candle, man. Such a smooth level of the sell-off, man. Oh my god, smooth just like a butter. No, brother, these moves are really rare. You have to see this. See this? Yep, weak butter sweeping. So yeah, let's just not create a damn talk about it. Okay, as our traditional analysis mind says, we do have to first go to the daily time frame. Yeah, today is also a bearish candle. So let me tell you, what is this, man? Go away. Okay, let me tell you some things about this consolidation, trap, and then sell off. You can quite really see like that. But as of a trap, in this, it's an earlier trap, but we can't say it an earlier trap because here are more of the traps. Like, yes, here are more traps, which is, this is kind of not like early trap. These are early traps, which is happened before this, which has more potential to give more risk to reward if you had shortened from here. But yeah, nothing just matters. You do need to sell the Bitcoin, and yeah, but the risk to reward will be significantly small compared to who have shorted here. Yeah, man, I did actually, but I'm not revealing my panel. So from this channel, you're just going to get what psychology videos and trade analysis videos, strategies, daily analysis. That's it. I'm not going to show my profits cause yeah, if you do see it, I don't know what you'll break into your mind. So yeah, let's just not talk about it. This is kind of making like a doji candle cause here are all of the wicks, and it did kind of like make a sweep. It's not really like a sweep, but yeah, we can call it. There are 50 minutes to left this candle to close, and if it did close just like this, oh man, it's going to go up into this wick and again going to dump like that. And yeah, if you remember, and man, are you really doing what I said? Did you really search TradingView in your Google? And are you really seeing this video? And after seeing this video, you going to the charts and whether seeing what I said is true or not. Yeah, cause that's really important. Cause lot of what is my accent, brother? Cause a lot of traders like out of there like freaking shit. They don't even tell at what date and time they are trading. Like, see, I am revealing this, and yeah, not a lot of YouTubers do that. But yeah, if you do find it in their video, the same kind of price action what they shoot in their video, that's another work to do. So yeah, I'll just reduce your work. So yeah, please subscribe to this channel. No, okay. Let's just not make that shit thing. What, man? My humor is kind of like changing, man. Like, I don't know what is happening. So yeah, just let's leave that a freaking humor shit. Okay. What I did say you is, I did mark these two big fat boys lines. I mean, yeah, this two fat lines. This indicate this week. And if you are a OG viewer of this channel, which is like not a lot of views are coming onto my channel, yeah, I'll work on it. If you are OG viewer, this wick indicates a significant role. If this wick did form in a bearish trend, just like this, you could get a potential entry. I've said it a lot of times. Not a lot of times, but yeah, to myself a lot of times. So yeah, this is the wick. Yeah, you can see this is the exact same wick, and here I did mark the wick, and inside this wick I did got an entry. Yeah, when I was having my what do you say, uta in Kannada. Yeah, South Indian brothers, hello. Yo, तुम क्या करता जी? हम नारियल पानी है. No, brother. Okay, yeah, let's just not do that. Yeah, I did took this trade, and I didn't really said you or posted any freaking short video, and I'm really sorry for that. And if I do take a trade, I will be making a post or creating a reel on it or a short on it, and I'm just not going to trade on myself. So yeah, that's a mistake I've done, and please forgive me if you can. And yeah, this was a tight consolidation. And yeah, in the yesterday's video, if you have really seen it, I did said you to buy the Bitcoin just like here. But yeah, by seeing this price action, this tight range, slow selling we call it, yeah, like I did draw lines like this, and it did trap this zone, and here was some kind of liquidity. It did grab like this, just like that. And if you are a smart trader, or you do even have a bit of psychology, you could have just entered here, and you could have booked your profits just like that, and close your day, shut on your laptop, play games, or don't play games, shit man. Oh yeah, improve on yourself, build your mindset, and yeah, just like that you'll be a good version of yourself, which you always really wanted. And yeah, I had thought of buying Bitcoin like just like here, but I was waiting for a retracement. And yeah, like, let me tell you this psychology. Yeah, before that, man, I'm a perfect ruiner of the scene, man. A perfect ruin of scene, I mean. Yeah, okay. So yeah, this trade logic I will explain. Here was this retracement of this. Oh man, what is this? Arey bhai, band ho ja. Okay. I don't know what language is that. If you are a foreigner, yeah, I don't know what I was speaking like. Yeah, alien. It's not Hindi, guys. Okay. And okay, this you can see right here is strong selling points. From this point, it has gone down. Like the market has gone down pretty good. So I did mark this. And if you see a wide view of this, the market kind of made a huge trap, making just like floating like here. It did closed below this level, strong selling points. That was confirmed, like this was not going to continue just like going up, like ignoring all of these levels. And yeah, after that did give a close inside this. I take a trade. Yeah, but it didn't make a retracement to not kind of really like the 70% fib level, but yeah, it missed some pips. Yeah, we can count it. Yeah, we can count it. Okay. And yes, if you see in a psychological term or a swing term, this structure is a slow bullish term, and this move after here, let me just close it. Yeah, this move is a small, not a small, time taking market structure of the bullish trend. And this is not really not of not okay, in a short period of time the market did fall. Okay, that is what exactly I was going to say. This did took a good amount of time, and this did took a short amount of time. Yeah, which really indicates that the Bitcoin is going to be bearish for some time from now. And yeah, I can't really say for how much long time, but yeah, it's going to be bearish, and keep that mind, keep keep that in mind. And yeah, I could have bought Bitcoin like just like a small lot size here, and yeah, if you had really bought this um, at this candle, you are a stupid. Cause you shouldn't buy Bitcoin like seeing an engulfing candle at the very highs. You should wait for the retracement. Um, if you had really bought it, yeah, just take the trade like all of these levels. Cause the supply has exhausted and there's an inducement, and it's a pretty good chance that an inducement cannot reverse from here. That's what I believe, and it lets through the candles to go, which makes the liquidity more add of liquidity, what we call. Okay, add of liquidity, what I call. So the structure, market structure, overall market structure, the internal structure, our external structure, the internal structure, everything is bearish. And yeah, oh yeah, this scene, let me just tell you what it's off about. Okay, you can make a freaking shit amount of money from this trade if this really worked out. So yeah, I need you to listen like this seriously. Here from this level, it's a pretty damn good level. You see, I am zooming out here from this point where I marked all of these green boxes. The market went like really freaking up, man. This is a buildup of liquidity right here. This is a buildup of liquidity, and like, yeah, all of these zones, these whatever I zones that I've marked is very and freaking really important. At the point, market is exactly like here, and extreme, I mean, from the demand strengthen levels, it is kind of making like a trap, and it's not really like a break of structure. You see BOS question marks, because if it was really a break of structure, it would have gone really like this point, not like giving a small wick out like this. No, it would have make a good price action going even more down if it was really a break of structure. And yeah, this is not really a break of structure, man. The trade is really working out, and yeah, let's leave it. Yes, you could just really mark it like just like this, a liquidity grab or whatever you think. So yeah, let me just tell you that on the daily time frame as well. So yeah, there are traders who trade on every single time frame. The 3 minute, yeah, this is the 3 minute, or even the daily time frame, weekly time frame. Traders trade even the weekly time frame, man. Okay, the ones who had bought at this engulfing candle, the one who had buyed Bitcoin like this from this price point, they would have yeah, put the stop loss just like the candle low, and the stop losses are hit. So this is another point, man. How much long is the video have become? 15 minutes, yeah, 20 minutes, yeah, there we go, 20 minutes. Okay, so yeah, just hear this. If you place a buy trade and the trade hits your stop loss, just like if you kept your stop loss just like here, the buy will be converted into a sell trade just where your stop loss is placed. Yes, that's exactly right what you've heard. And yeah, the ones who have sold here, if the market does, and our stop losses are placed somewhere around here and entry is here, the market straight goes to our stop loss, then the sell trade right here at the stop loss level will get converted into a buy level, buy side order. Yeah, same buy side order, it will be executed. So yeah, that's another form of liquidity which I just revealed for you guys, cause you should understand what really I am seeing, okay? And yeah, the market is kind of reversing from here. What I'm doing, man. Yeah, you can just really like, I do not suggest you to buy Bitcoin like this, but yeah, what I've explained you all of this daily time frame thing. Yeah, just let me just zoom in, man. This video is getting freaking boring. I'm really sorry. I'm working on myself, guys. I'm working on the conversation skills. So yeah, please just forgive me. Okay. Yeah, this trade could really work out, man. Like, yeah, it could go very good, but according to the structure, it will not go like that. But from a psychological perspective, yeah, it's a really good trade. You can hold it like crazy, and it may even hit your take profit at these extreme levels, man, that this will become a really good swing trade. But yeah, it's not likely to happen if I combine all of the time frames. Yeah, but it could happen, man. There's always a 50% of chance of the market of doing anything. And yeah, none of my analysis is accurate, that I say is accurate, but yeah, 50% chance, man. You always have to save, I mean, you always have to say that. And yes, this is the analysis for Bitcoin. You can buy the Bitcoin. I don't, yeah, this is not a trade idea. Don't put a trade here. Just open your trading view, just see if the market gets any reaction from this level, from the exact same level, man. It retraces and then kind of makes like a bullish trend, like in the internal swing structure. You can really short from these levels. Oh man, shut the freak up, the train, man. What time it is? 5 o'clock. Which train is going like, okay. And yeah, in gold, let's just open gold. Yeah, in gold there is a scenario. Yes, gold is kind of retracing like in a small pace, and if the market really comes like this to this levels, which is 4,117 and 4,106, 105, you can really buy the gold, man. It would be a great swing trade just like this. You can potentially buy. You should wait. You should not just blindly buy at what price levels I said. Just wait for it to make a shift or a bullish price action or a really good price action or trap of this level. See, there's a liquidity down here, and yeah, after the sweep you can enter. So trading is the game about psychology and thinking of how other people think, and yeah, just thinking against them, because 90% of people do think in a really shit way. So yeah, they're like always shit people. I'm not saying they're shit people, their psychology is bad. It's not even their fault. Yeah, the society, the so-called society has made them like that. Fuck society, man. I mean, yes, really. And I'm not even exaggerating. That's right, it. Get that society in your face, like just like that. Yeah, buy the gold like from this level. And I'm not saying that this trade will hit like, oh yeah, take profit, yeah, TP is done. And yeah, there's an always a 50% chance the market is going to hit our stop loss, just like this. So yeah, you can't really predict the market like an freaking astrologer. I don't even know how they predict, and damn. Okay, this could have been a trade if I was sitting in front of my screen, and yeah, this would be a really good trade. So yeah, let's just not make ourselves guilt that I've done trade this trade. It's a daily freaking routine that missing a trade, taking a trade, hitting a stop loss, hitting a take profit, or anything risk managing. It's everything into the trading. Okay, You just have to follow the process. And yeah, I've just received a notification. It's a notification from calendar. Yeah, it's a children's day, and yeah, it's really useless. It doesn't really matter of freaking or something like that, but yeah. Okay, you can really buy the Bitcoin. No, don't buy the Bitcoin, man. I'm not certainly sure of Bitcoin. Like this psychology, what I've just explained to you of buying the Bitcoin and it becoming a really good swing trade is a lot less chance to happen, man, in terms of the market structure. And if it really, and yeah, I'll just create another scenario for you. This is a trend line. If the price enters the trend line and yeah, it just forms a green, I mean a bullish inside internal bullish trend, and yeah, so then you can be bullish on Bitcoin. Like yeah, freaking this psychology did work then in my case. So yeah, I'm not really saying that yeah it's going to work this that, and yeah, it's Bitcoin is $1 lakh. It's a whole number, and yeah. It's just really boring. I need to make it some humorous content. What is this? 21 minutes, and yeah, just like that. Here is a trade idea. If it didn't work, I'm really sorry. I will be placing a trade like here, and yes. By that being said, signing off. Mosaic Trader.